Hi everyone, my beloved brothers and sisters. I am going to talk about education. So let's get started. Education full form. E for energy, D for discipline, U for unity, C for confidence, A for aim, T for talent, I for interest, O for opportunity, N for nationality. The word educate comes from the Latin educere, meaning to lead out or to bring out. Education is not the amount of information that is put in the human brain. It must have man making, character making, and life building accumulation of ideas. Then only by means of that education something can be gained in the world. Most probably students are totally ignorant about. There is no alternative to education. The more you read, the more you learn. Education has no end. Practice makes perfect. So, more practice in life. Thank you very much for watching today. I'm Amirul Islam and stay well. See you again in the next video. Inshallah.